Hey guys, welcome back. Tell you what, as you can see, I'm not outside cooking. I'm here in the dungeon. Yeah, I know it's not pretty, but this is where all the things happen that gets the videos put out. This is the editing room. Here, my office here in the dungeon, which is also known as my basement. Those of you who catch my live feeds have seen this view before, but yeah, no cook this week, guys. Got very busy. Uh, just didn't happen. Was not able to get out there and do some filming. So, but I do got some news I want to share with you. I want to give you a little channel update and what's happening with us here. It's all good though. Nothing negative, and things are happening for a reason. So, as you know, for a little while now, I've been promoting some Prime 6 charcoal. They contacted me a while back, and good people, by the way. I've really enjoyed communicating with them. They just wanted me to try their product. That's all they asked, was nothing more than that. Let me send you some charcoal, try it. And after trying it, not once, but multiple times, I found that I fell in love with the charcoal. Yeah, it takes a little longer to light, but I tell you what, it burns hotter. It lasts longer. And I tell you what, the flavor is unlike any other charcoal I've ever used. Those who've been with me long enough know that my favorite way to cook is over a direct flame wood fire. Cooks, I don't get to do a lot of it because I don't have a lot of time anymore. But compared my food that I ate cooked over the Prime 6 with that, this is probably the closest thing I've ever had to cooking over firewood using the Prime 6 that I've ever had. I mean, it's just, I ain't going to say it's exact, but it's probably the closest I've ever come. Using charcoal, compared that to an open fire cook, probably the closest I've ever come to getting without actually having an open fire cook. Did that make sense? It's just good, guys. It's good, trust me. Yeah, they gave me the promo code, which is KEN10, by the way. That will still get you 10% off. And but as of a few days ago, it became official. I'm proud to say, myself, and there's some other influencers out there that's coming across the same thing. But it's official. I've teamed up with Prime 6. This is exciting for me, guys. Check this out. Let me check over here in my viewfinder. There we go. That's right. We are now part of the P6 crew, part of Prime 6 Charcoal, and it's been a fun experience, and we got more to go. You know, we got the fall campaign coming up with Prime 6. I'm going to talk more about that later. We're going to be shooting some videos for them. I'll be sharing the full-length videos on my channel, which is, it's going to be a lot of fun. I hope I do not disappoint. So it's my first go around. We're still a fairly small channel here on YouTube, but we are growing, and we've gained some influence in there somewhere. So so wish us luck on that, guys. But yeah, that's the news. We're teamed up with Prime 6 Charcoal, and I'm having a blast. I don't want to get away from what I'm doing with bringing you guys, but I'm hoping to share that as part of the experience of what we're doing here. So it's been a blast. Guys, I'm going to keep this pretty short, but I did want to share that. I found this since I didn't have a cooking video for you. I just thought this was a good opportunity to share the news. You know, it's like anything else. You don't know how long it's going to last, so you just cherish it while it's happening. And the Prime 6 team has been very good to me so far. We're having a blast working with them, and as you know, we're gonna milk it for as long as we can. So, guys, thank you as always. Plenty more to come here, guys. Having a blast doing what I do, and I'll keep doing it as long as I'm having a blast doing it. And as I've always said, we don't do. I think I stole this from Big Lou. He said we don't do fancy food, we do family food. We're going to keep doing the same thing here as we always do. So, guys, till next time, guys, God bless you. We'll see you on the next cook. Bye-bye.